Hello everyone. Today I wanna show my English final project from class 6 for G646. My final project is explain about simple past tense and simple future tense. Before that, I wanna introduce myself. My name is Rio Andrian Pramono. My NPM is 66. I am from mechanical engineering, and I will say thanks to Mr. Devi for teaching and giving assessment. So let's start to English final project. Simple past tense and simple future tense. What is simple past tense? Simple past tense is a verb tense that is used to describe an action that has already happened and is no longer ongoing. In English, regular verbs typically form the simple past tense by add to the past form of the verb. When do we use simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to express actions that were completed in the past. What is the formula for simple past tense? The general formula for this verb is subject plus verb to plus object plus complement. However, like other tense formula, the past tense formula also changes depending on whether the predicate is nominal or verbal. Simple past tense nominal formula. For positive sentence, subject plus to be, was, or were plus complement. Sample, I was a pilot. For negative sentence, subject plus to be, was, or were plus not plus complement. Example, they were not a student. For interrogative sentence, to be, was, or were plus subject plus complement. Was Mary happy to study here? Simple past tense verbal formula. For positive sentence, subject plus verb to plus complement. Example, she went to the hospital yesterday. For negative sentence, subject plus did plus not plus verb 1. Example, we did not go to the hospital yesterday. For interrogative sentence, did plus subject plus verb 1. Example, did they go to the hospital yesterday? Simple past tense is used for to explain event in the past and have been completed and the specified time to explain several events or activities that have been carried out in the past. Usually, this event occur sequentially. Three, to tell about event that started and ended in the past and usually have a duration. For example, duration word used include for 2 years, for 5 minutes, all day, all year, and so on. To tell about habits that were done in the past but are no longer done in the present. To convey facts or things that were common in the past and are no longer true at this time. This function is similar to using used to. Jadi simple past tense ini digunakan untuk menjelaskan kejadian di masa lalu atau yang telah terjadi. Contohnya adalah eh, aku seorang pilot. Aku dulu pernah menjadi pilot. Nah, itu adalah contoh dari kalimat simple past tense. Atau bisa jadi kemarin aku mengikuti acara konser. Itu juga simple past tense karena waktunya sudah berlalu. Oke, next. What is simple future tense? Simple future tense is a verb tense that is used to describe action or events that will happen in the future. In English, simple future tense is often formed using the auxiliary verb will or shall, followed by the best form of the main verb. When do we use simple future tense? The simple future tense is used to express action or events that will happen at some point in the future. Jadi kita menggunakan simple future tense. Gunakan pada saat mengekspresikan suatu eh, a- suatu acara di besok hari atau masa yang akan mendatang. Contohnya, besok saya akan mengikuti ujian atau suatu hari saya akan masuk ke suatu universitas. Okay, next. What is the formula for simple future tense? The formula for constructing sentence in the simple future tense in English involves using the auxiliary verb will or shall, followed by the base form of the main verb. Simple past tense future formula. First, positive sentence. Subject plus will or shall plus base form of the verb plus optional rest of the sentence. Example, I will visit my grandparents next weekend. Aku akan mengunjungi nenekku atau kakekku di minggu depan. She shall completed the project by Friday. Dia sudah menyelesaikan proyeknya hari Jumat. Dia akan menyelesaikan proyeknya di hari Jumat. Number two is negative sentence. Subject plus will or shall plus not plus base form of the verb plus optional rest of the sentence. Example, they will not attend to the meeting. He shall not forget to submit the report. Next question, will or shall plus subject plus base form of the verb plus optional rest of the sentence. Example, will you join us for dinner? Shall we start the meeting now? Uses of simple future tense atau kegunaan kalimat future tense. Yang pertama, first, convey an event that will occur in the future. Number two, convey something that has been decided to be done. Expressing an offer or request or invitation to another person. Expressing a decision to do something without a plan. Expressing an emotion or feeling. Di simple future tense digunakan untuk menyampaikan kejadian yang akan datang. Contohnya adalah besok aku akan mengunjungi nenek atau pada saat penggunaan ekspresi dia akan marah. Jadi dia akan bisa terjadi di masa yang akan mendatang. Atau eh, decision to do something without plan. Jadi melakukan sesuatu tanpa rencana, jadi langsung atau kemudian hari. Atau menyampaikan kejadian yang akan terjadi di masa depan. Contohnya adalah besok akan terjadi hujan. Oke, that's it for my final English project. Thank you for watching my final English project. Bye.